This is 12.4, video 2, dividing polynomials. So, on example 3, it's a little different. Notice it says 4b cubed, and then it goes to 5b. So we're missing something. What are we missing? We have to keep them in order. So if I go from cubed to b, what's wrong? I'm missing a what? Squared. So I'm going to rewrite this problem again with the squared involved. So it's going to be 4b cubed plus 0b squared, because we don't have a b squared, plus 5b minus 3. Now we could do our dividing from there. So you're going to put your 2b minus 1 on the outside. 4b cubed plus 0b squared plus 5b minus 3. Now you could do your work. 2b can go into 4b cubed how many times?
2b squared.
2b squared. 2b squared. So then you do 2b squared times 2b would be 4b cubed. 2b squared minus times negative 1 is negative 2b squared. And what are we doing again? What math are we doing? Subtraction. Now we're going to do the math. 4b cubed minus 4b cubed is 0. 0. B squared minus negative 2b squared.
It's 2b squared.
Close?
It's 2b. Wait, no, 2.
So negative 2b squared is what?
Positive 2b squared?
Positive 2b squared.
Why is it two negatives?
Because I have your minus sign, and I have a negative 2b squared. So a negative and a negative make a positive. Then I'm going to bring what down? Plus 5b. Then I ask myself, how many times can 2b go into 2b squared?
1.
One time. One what?
B.
1b. Change the color again. So it's going to be 2b squared minus b times negative 1 is what?
Negative 1b.
Negative 1b. There you go. Am I adding or subtracting them? Subtracting. So the first one goes away. Then I have 5b minus negative 1b.
6b. And then it's 6b minus 3.
6b. Bring down minus 3. How many times can 2b go into 6b? 3. Positive 3. Let's see if it works. 2b times 2b times 3 is 6b. And 3 times negative 1 is what?
Negative 3.
Negative 3. Are they both the same?
Yeah.
0. There is no remainder. Marky, please pick up the book that just fell on the floor.
I'll do that, guys.
Okay, we're going to try it one more time. So, first of all, we have to figure out what's missing. Starts t to the 4th. Then t to the 3rd. How many t to the 3rds do we have? 0. So we're going to put plus 0 t cubed. We have a t squared. And we have a t. And we have a minus 3. Now we could do it. So t minus 1 on the outside. T to the 4th plus 0t cubed plus t squared plus t minus 3. This should be somewhat easier because it's all t's. Okay, t can go into t to the fourth how many times?
4.
I already have one t, so I just need t cubed. T to the third power. So it's going to be t cubed minus t to the fourth. Did that one wrong. T to the fourth minus t cubed. Subtract them.
Wait, so it's a
No, you can't change. Don't change the exponent. So it's 0 minus negative 1.
So it's plus. It's 1 t. It's 1.
It's t cubed. Very good.
Wait, why are we getting t cubed?
You're not getting rid of the t in the cube. Yeah. Okay, bring down what? Plus t squared. T can go into t cubed how many times?
2 times.
So it's plus t squared. Very good. T squared times t is t cubed. And then t squared minus times negative 1 is what?
Negative t squared.
T squared. Then I subtract them. The first one should be able to go away.
And then you get x or t squared.
T squared minus negative t squared.
2t squared?
Look at it this way. 1 minus negative 1. What would your answer be? 2.
So 2t squared?
So it'll be 2t squared. Then I bring down what? T. Very good. T can go into 2t how many times? T can go into 2t squared how many times? 2t plus 2t. So 2t squared minus what? Minus 2t. We're not adding these, Joseph, we're multiplying them.
Okay,
So you would do 2t times negative 1.
it would be 3t.
And then you subtract them. I need another color. This one's getting pretty busy. So it'll be 3t. Bring down minus 3. T goes into 3t how many times? 3. So plus 3. That's 3t minus 3. Did we get rid of it?
Yep.
Finally, there's your answer. All right, put it on pause. Didn't finish it, but go for it. You don't have to do example 4. Bye.